Ladies and gentlemen, if you are searching for how to reuse your scrap metal in a better way, then you are at the right place. In our today's video, I am going to show you some scrap metal do it by yourself project that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do it by yourself project have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are a seasoned do it by yourself enthusiast or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do it by yourself project that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do it by yourself project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and the other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use